Today we are working on a Ficus microcarpa tiger bark, but before we start, make sure to subscribe and like if you enjoy my content. But guys, this tree is actually a fusion of 6 different trees together. While the trees are fused in parts, you can still clearly see the distinctive individual trees at this stage of its development, but given time, it will grow and the fusions will become more seamless. We are going to start off by quickly pruning the tree to reduce its height, but we are going to try to retain the overall dome shape of the canopy. At this stage, we are just eyeballing the shape of the tree and just quickly pruning it without being too meticulous or too careful about it. Alright, so now we are going to take our time to go in and remove branches that shouldn't be there, either because they are crisscrossing or because the branches either too stiff or too big, or there are just too many branches in one location. We want to keep branches that are attractive and are growing in proper directions to fill the space nicely. So we are going to remove branches that are growing into each other's or growing inward. So for example, that branch right there is an eyesore because it's just very large and stiff and it just grows straight into the branches around it. So we would just have to remove it. And if you want new materials to work with, you can always root these cuttings. They root very easily and they grow quickly. This concludes our work on this Ficus tiger bark for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please take care and until next time.